Good morning, dear students. I am Professor Ankita Avasthi in Computer Science and Engineering Department, SIRT, Bhopal. Today, we will discuss about data structure and its types. What is data structure? Data structure are essential components that help organize and store data efficiently in computer memory. They provide a way to manage and manipulate data effectively, enabling faster access, insertion and deletion operation. Common data structures include arrays, linked lists, stack queues, trees, and graphs, each serving a specific purpose based on the requirements of the problem. Understanding data structure is fundamental for designing efficient algorithm and optimizing software performance. It is a way of organizing and storing data in a computer so that it can be accessed and used efficiently. It defines the relationship between the data and the operation that can be performed on the data. Why are the data structure important? It is a following reason. Efficient data management, they enable efficient storage and retrieval of data, reducing processing time and improving performance. Data organization, they organize data in a logical manner, make it easier to understand and access. Data abstraction, reusability, and last one is algorithm optimization. The choice of the appropriate data structure can significantly impact the efficiency of algorithm that operate on the data. We have two types of data structure: primitive data structure and non-primitive data structures, which are support at the machine level. It is primitive data structure. They can be used to make non-primitive data structure. These are integral and are pure in form. They have predefined behavior and specifications. Examples like integer, float, character, pointers. The pointers, however, don't hold a data value. Instead, they hold memory address of the data value. These are also called the reference data type. First is array. It is a collection of elements of the same data type in contiguous memory location. Homogeneous and contiguous collection of same data type, they have a static memory allocation technique, which means if memory space is allocated for once, it cannot be changed during runtime. It is non-primitive data structure. It cannot be performed without the primitive data structure. They too are provided by the system itself, yet they are derived data structure and cannot be formed without using the primitive data structure. Next is file. It is a collection of record. File is a collection of records. The file data structure is primarily used for managing large amounts of data, which is not in the primary storage of the system. The files help us to process, manage, access, retrieve, or basically work with such data easily. List, it is a collection of elements linked together by pointers allowing for dynamic insertion and deletion. The list support dynamic memory allocation. The memory space allocated can be changed at runtime also. Linear list, linear data type. Linear lists are those which have the element stored in a sequential order. These structures store data in sequential order, this allowing for easy insertion and deletion operation. Example include array, linked list, and queue. And the non-linear data structures store data in a hierarchical or interconnected manner, this allowing for more complex relationship between data structure, include trees, graph, and hash table. Stacks, next one is stack. Stack, a last in first out structure where elements are added and removed from the top. Next is queue, a first in first out structure where elements are added at the end and removed from the beginning. Next is non-linear type. These structures store data in a hierarchical manner. or interconnected manner. This allowing for more complex relationship between data elements. Next is tree, a hierarchical structure where each node can have multiple child nodes. And graph, it is a collection of nodes connected by edges representing relationship between data elements. And hash table also, that use a function to map keys to values, allowing for fast lookup and insertion. Data structures give us a means to work with the data. Since we already have lots of problem to deal with, it completely depends on the requirement of our problem. Which data structure to select? The right selection of an appropriate data structure for solving a particular problem can prove very beneficial and also help reduce the complexity of the problem. There are applications of data structure, database management system, operating system, compiler design, artificial intelligence, graphics, and multimedia. Next is data structure is a scheme for organizing data in a memory of a computer. Some of the more commonly used data structure include list, array, stack, queue, heap, trees, and graphs. Queue is example of commonly used simple data structure. Queue has beginning and end called the front and back of the queue. Data enters the queue at one end and leaves at the other. Because of this, data exists the queue in the same order. Binary tree is another commonly used data structure. It is organized like an upside down tree. Each spot on the tree called a node holds an item of data along with a left pointer and a right pointer. List, it is an order set of data. It is often used to store object where elements are stored in nodes linked together by a pointer. Each node contains the data and a pointer to the next node in the list. For inserting and deleting elements, but they can be slower for accessing element than array. Types of list: singly linked list, each node points to the next node in the list. And circular linked list, the last node point back to the first node, forming a circular loop. And doubly linked list, each node point to the both the next and previous nodes in the list. An array, it is an index set of variable. It is a set of items, set of variable that each store an item. Thank you so much.